Old Mill Brick Brickwebb can be installed on almost any surface. However, some surfaces take some prep work. For a common painted wall, there are just a few steps you'll need to take in order to prep your wall for your brickweb project. First, remove any outlet covers, thermostats, and other items from the wall. You will also want to tape anything that you can't remove, like vents and adjacent walls. Turn off the power to any outlets you will be taping over and be careful not to touch the screws on the sides. Next, you'll want to remove any baseboards and trim that are less than a half-inch thick. To remove a baseboard, start by scoring the calk with a box cutter or other sharp knife. Then, use a pry bar and hammer to pull the baseboard from the wall. Be gentle and do this a few times before pulling the full baseboard off. Put down some plastic covering on the floor and secure it in place with tape to protect your floors and for easy cleanup later. In order for the adhesive to stick to the painted wall, you'll need to go over the wall with some 80 grit sandpaper. Use a small circle motion and go over the entire surface of the wall. You don't need to push hard. The goal is simply to rough up the surface so that your adhesive can take purchase. After sanding, go over the wall with a dry rag or duster to remove all the dust you just created. Now you are ready to install your brickweb.